Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Welcome to this ultimate tutorial on using Notion for teachers. If you're looking to streamline your lesson planning, student tracking, and resource management, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up Notion as your all-in-one education management system using a free template, and you'll be ready to organize your classroom in a more professional and efficient way. Let's get right into it. For this demo, we're going to use a free education management template. Templates in Notion are brilliant because they're professionally designed and save you the time and effort of building everything from scratch. Plus, you can personalize any template later to suit your unique teaching style or classroom needs, so you're not locked into any one format. So, the first thing you'll want to do is look up to the top left corner of your Notion workspace, right where that drop-down menu sits. This is the gateway to all your workspace options. Go ahead and click on that drop-down. You'll see a menu open up with more options. Now, don't be afraid to take a moment here to look around. Notion's interface can seem packed at first, but it's pretty intuitive once you know where everything is. Next, you're going to select Browse Templates. This lets you view all the ready-made pages that Notion and the community have put together for different uses. In the search bar, type Education Management. You might also see other templates for master databases, assignment tracking, or lesson planning. Feel free to browse and see what feels right for you. But for this demo, we'll stick with Education Management. Once you find the template that catches your eye, go ahead and click on it so you can preview the layout. You should see sections for things like lesson plans, student databases, attendance, assignments. It's a comprehensive toolkit. If this feels overwhelming, don't worry. Each part is modular, and you only have to use what benefits you. To add the template to your Notion workspace, simply hit Add. Give it a few seconds to set up. It might take a moment, especially if your internet connection is on the slower side. After it loads, you'll see the new template added to your sidebar, ready to open up and start customizing. Now, here comes the fun part. You can begin adding your own credentials, class information, and even creative elements. For example, you might update the teacher field with your name, or drop in a profile photo for a friendly touch. In the student sections, you can enter names, grades, and even emergency contacts, making this database both useful and personal. Customization is key with Notion, and this is where you really make the template yours. Maybe you prefer color-coded subjects or want to add a section for parent communication. You can move blocks around, rename sections, or even embed media like videos and PDFs for instant access during your lesson. Remember, it's all about fitting your workflow, so don't hesitate to experiment. If you make a mistake, Notion has a quick undo feature, and you can always reset blocks if needed. And that's really all there is to it. By using the free education management template in Notion, you're setting yourself up for smoother organization and more professional-looking records, which means you'll spend less time on admin and more time teaching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own tips for using Notion as a teacher. And of course, subscribe so you never miss another how-to video. Thanks for watching and happy teaching!